How to make delicious biryani, a step-by-step guide. Hello everyone. Welcome to our kitchen. Today, we are going to learn how to make the mouth-watering and aromatic dish biryani. Biryani is a popular and flavorful rice dish that originated in the Indo-Pak subcontinent and is loved by people all around the world. So, let's get started. First, let's go through the ingredients you'll need for our biryani recipe. 500 grams of basmati rice, 750 grams of chicken, or any meat of your choice, 2 large onions, finely sliced, 3-4 tomatoes, chopped, 1 cup of plain yogurt, 2-3 green chilies, slit, fresh coriander and mint leaves, a handful, chopped, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1/2 cup of fried onions, optional, for added flavor, whole spices, 4-5 cloves, 4-5 green cardamoms, some amount of cumin seed, coriander, fennel seed, black pepper, 2-3 star anise, 1-inch cinnamon stick, 1 bay leaf, ghee, clarified butter, or cooking oil, saffron strands soaked in warm milk, for garnishing, salt to taste. Step 1. Marinate the meat. In a large bowl, add the chicken pieces, ginger garlic paste, yogurt, red chili powder, turmeric powder, garam masala, half of the chopped mint and coriander leaves, green chilies and salt. Mix everything thoroughly, ensuring the chicken is well coated with the marinade. Cover the bowl and let it marinate for at least 30 minutes to allow the flavors to meld. Step 2. Next, we'll prepare the basmati rice. Rinse the rice under cold running water until the water runs clear. This helps to remove excess starch and prevents the rice from becoming sticky. Then, soak the rice in water for about 20 minutes. This step ensures that the rice cooks evenly and doesn't break during the cooking process. Step 3. Now it's time to cook our marinated chicken. Heat some ghee or oil in a large pot. Add the whole spices, cloves, green cardamoms, cinnamon stick, bay leaf and all mentioned in the ingredients and saute for a minute until they release their aroma. Then, add the finely sliced onions and cook until they turn golden brown. Once the onions are nicely browned, add the chopped tomatoes and cook until they become soft and the oil starts to separate from the masala. Now, add the marinated chicken to the pot, and mix it well with the masala. Cook the chicken on medium heat until it is tender and cooked through. Don't forget to taste and adjust the salt and spices according to your preference. Step 4. Time to layer our biryani. In a separate large pot, start with a layer of cooked rice at the bottom. Then, add a layer of the cooked chicken with its masala. Sprinkle some chopped mint and coriander leaves, and a few fried onions if you like. Repeat the layers until all the rice and chicken are used up. The top layer should be rice. For a touch of luxury and a burst of color, garnish the top with saffron milk. This will give our biryani a beautiful aroma and appearance. Step 5. Dum cooking. Covering the pot with a lid and sealing it. The final step is the dum cooking. Dum cooking is a slow cooking technique that allows the flavors to melt together beautifully. Seal the pot with aluminum foil or a tight-fitting lid to prevent steam from escaping. Cook the biryani on low heat for about 20-25 minutes. And there you have it, a delicious and flavorful biryani. Serve it with some raita or salad on the side, and enjoy the rich blend of spices and aromas. Biryani is perfect for any special occasion or when you simply want to treat yourself to a delightful meal. Thank you for joining me in the kitchen today. Happy cooking! If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tasty recipes. See you next time.